The Cambrian Hotel behind me was built in 1809. In my younger days, I can remember the Cambrian, and it was really a rough old pub. You know, you had the floorboards there, went in it, and it was a rough cider house, and it was well known for rough cider drinking in Tredegar at the time. In the 1920s, there was a big temperance movement in Tredegar, and they used to stand outside these rough pubs, which the Cambrian was one of them. The workers from the ironworks used to send the young boys up to the Cambrian to fill their jugs with a beer to take back to the furnacemen or the puddlers in the works. In the past, the workers found a load of 1812 coins under the sills that it must have been connected with the Tredegar Iron and Coal Company for them to use their coins. When all the work was done there, they went down in the cellars, and all the cellars were vaulted down there. The work that was put into that when it was built was fantastic by the old stonemasons, you know. It's also very interesting. There was a young engineer, Rhys Davis, which served his time in the works, and I think he did a bit of drinking there himself. In the early 1800s, he went to America, and he started an ironworks in Virginia, in Richmond, Virginia. For people visiting to see the history of the town, which we get a lot of people from America and all over the place that have emigrated, that come back to find out their roots and their families. It's an excellent place for them to stay. The way it was rough cider house in the beginning, now you can go in there and book your rooms. The en-suites there are beautiful, and you can have meals there, and it's an excellent pub.